Hi all. Unfortunately, I have to wear a mask most of the video because of COVID, but it's really cool. Check it out. Oh my, I'm so tired. This paper is just so long. Well, probably I'm just gonna take a break. Scrolling Facebook real quick. My professor wouldn't know. Just a short break.
3 hours later.
Okay, let's get back to work. A short break but so refreshing. Oh, wait. Who is this guy in my friend's picture? Oh, he's cute. He is handsome. I wonder if he's single. I wonder if we're a good match. How am I gonna know? Wait, let's check his Facebook profile. Is there anything he says or posts give a hint that he also likes hanging out, trying new things, doing creative stuff like me? From the topic he shared, the language he used. Hi there, how are you? My name is Hui, a PhD candidate in computer science at Storybook University. And of course, before was just a little sarcastic situation relating to my line of work in the PhD program. Here at Edge Lab, run by my advisor, Dr. Andrew Judge, we develop large and scalable language analysis for mental health and social sciences. Using machine learning, natural language processing particularly, we seek to discover new relationships between psychological factors and mental well-being, and language on social media, such as Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit. For example, one paper of my advisor and co-authors is about looking for words and topics on social media corresponding to users' demography and personalities. The idea is, from the users' written word frequencies and their demographic information, we can find words having high correlation with each demographic trait. Then we'll plot them as representative for those traits, such as gentleman, ladies, young age, early adult, and middle age. Keep in mind, these results are from data-driven experiments seeking averagely differential words from different demographics. It does not suggest how a person would talk stereotypically. This method can also be used to study personalities. Indeed, we can find word clouds corresponding to the Big 5 personality model, comprising of openness, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism, or OCEAN for short. And that's where my PhD thesis starts too. You see, it is very cool to understand personalities through correlative word clouds. They show a full picture of what users care or talk about. But how about not just sparse keywords, but we can actually generate a complete sentence that they will say, a complete Twitter post that they will write. What an extrovert would tweet, what an agreeable person would write on his Facebook wall. A model generate text like real person with real personalities. Isn't it cool? That's what I work on my PhD thesis. So that's the idea, but how to achieve that? By training a generative language model that generates original text, conditioning on the input vector, which is the 5 personality score of a user. To be more specific, we take advantage of a pre-trained model such as GPT-2. The model has already been trained very well before for generating text, and we would fine-tune to steer it to do what we want. That's what we call transfer learning. The model is built on transformer blocks. Not this one, this one. An architecture that helps training significantly faster thanks to parallel computing mechanism. After fine-tuning, if things work as expected, the model will take as input the Big 5 score of a person and generate texts that are likely to be written by that person. As you can see, it's an interesting alternative way to understand personalities on social medias besides word clouds. And of course, there must be some modifications to the original model to achieve this. And how we do it is... Well, I have to edit this out because the paper is not published yet. So wait till the paper comes out. It should be soon. Now, back to the video. Is there any difficulty with it? There is, of course, as all things. Although we expect the model to generate text illustrating different personalities. But think about it, even if you're an extrovert, you wouldn't talk all day about making friends, hanging out, or parties, would you? Sometimes you just feel sad or tired. or just want to say something very neutral. And that's not exactly what we want the model to do, at least with our original goal. So how to deal with it? Well, let's just say we try many methods to deal with it. Changing architecture, training a little longer, trying different training mechanisms, searching for the right type of parameters, this and that, and again and again and again, and still doesn't work. Dang, I've been working on this problem for 6 months and it still doesn't work. Gosh, I feel so useless. Am I useless? Why are my peers just so smart? Should I quit? Probably I should quit. Yeah, I don't feel like I'm good enough. Yeah, I've decided. Doing a PhD is just so hard and it's just not for me. I should just quit now. Except that you shouldn't. Hear me out. Because you see, nobody says that doing research is easy. It's really hard. But what you're doing now is meaningful. And that's what matters, doesn't it? You chose this path not because it's easy. No, you chose it because you love the subject. You love to learn more about it and create more knowledge for it and share it with the world. And improving mankind knowledge through researching, even just a tiny bit, is no way an easy task, but it's very meaningful and it's worth all the hard work. So calm down, sit back, and believe in yourself. You can do it. Okay, so I'm not quitting. But what do I do now? The problem is still there. Easy. First, close your laptop. Then, stand up. Move away from your table. Taking a walk. Spending some time doing what you like to relax. Relaxing is a crucial part of researching. Loosen up your nerves and new ideas will come. Reading, singing, drawing. And for me, probably you have guessed it, is Oh, what do you know? I think I got it. I think my model finally works. We are matched. Probability of 94%. Statistically significant. That's good.